I was sent these Bluetooth earbuds by Tagry, and these are the X08. So we're going to unbox it in this video. We're going to see what's inside, you and me at the same time. I did receive this for free, but I did not get any money. There was no payments, nothing, no talking points, and yeah, so all opinions are my own. Thank you to Tagry for sending this, and now let's get to it. So this, like I said, is an unboxing, so we're gonna go ahead and open the box. As you can see, it is sealed. So I have no idea what we're gonna get here. I suspect the usual, the charging case, the USB-C cable, and the earbuds themselves, as well as some documentation, but we could be surprised. Right, the box is pretty much the usual. No barcodes, no stickers, no anything. Okay, it says that it's got a standby of 60 hours. And let's see, transmission 33 feet, pretty much standard for Bluetooth. It's got IPX5 rating, so that's good. You can pretty much work out with this. It's got 6 hours of playtime on a single charge. So let's that's pretty standard again for Bluetooth earbuds of this size. So let's take them out of the box, and we got true wireless earbuds. This is just a cover. We got the user manual, a little foam, and we got the earbuds case right here. And right now, let's see. USB-C cable. This is the only thing that's here. Oh, and of course, we got some more extra ear tips in case the ones that are set on the earbuds themselves are not the right size for you. They almost never are for me. I always switch it to the smallest one. So let's see what we have here. And let's see. It's always nice to remove the plastic on new devices. And we got an extra protection here, and it's to hold the case closed. Oh no, it's not. It's actually just to protect the glossy plastic in here. And as you can see, opening and closing it cause the LED to turn on. So I really like the fact that it tells me that they are charging and the level of the battery for each. This, I presume, is the level of battery for the case itself. And each earbud has its own level here. So let me try to, well, I'm just gonna remove that later. And so we open them up, it stops charging. When we close, it charges again. So that's good. Okay, so they are pairing now, right out of the box. Okay, so let's see. They got a nice design. They got some, I think, medium-sized ear tips already installed. And yeah, they're kind of sleek. At the same time, kind of simple looking, which I like. They got the LED indicating that they're pairing. And I presume that both of them will have the LED, and yes, that's right. Both of them have the LEDs. So I'm gonna hook this up to the iPhone later to give it a test. And I like the case. It's it is kind of plasticky feeling, but it is very sleek and nice looking. It's very small. I like that a lot. They are comparable to the 𝚬𝚑𝚃. A little bit bigger than the 𝚬𝚑𝚃, but these are very, very tiny. So overall, the first impressions on this Tagry X08 Bluetooth earbuds are very, very good. They are very affordable. They are very small, lightweight. I like how slim it is, which means that they are going to fit on the pants just great. And yeah, so I'm going to make another video to talk about how well they sound and what it's like to use them. But for the meantime, the first impressions, I like this, and I think that you will like them too.